Imagine a tool that takes the guesswork out of opportunities, connects you with untapped resources, and helps you make money faster. Meet Deepseek, a revolutionary platform designed to uncover insights and trends buried beneath the surface of the internet. But here's the million-dollar question. How can you make money with it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn Deepseek into your personal cash generator. First things first, Deepseek is a discovery tool. Think of it as a treasure map for data. It uses advanced algorithms and search capabilities to find hidden opportunities, whether it's emerging markets, underserved niches, or keywords flying under everyone else's radar. If you're a content creator, business owner, freelancer, or side hustler, this is your secret weapon. Let's talk about a few practical ways you can use Deepseek, starting with trend identification. Trends are moneymakers, and Deepseek can find them before they go mainstream. Say you're in e-commerce. You can use Deepseek to uncover what products are gaining traction in specific demographics or regions. That's how companies launch to massive success. They get in on trends early. For example, discovering that eco-friendly home products are spiking in search traffic might lead you to add those to your inventory or affiliate marketing portfolio. Next up, content creation. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or digital marketer, Deepseek's insights give you an edge. It identifies the exact keywords and topics people are searching for, but aren't yet saturated with content. This means you can write blog posts, create videos, or launch ad campaigns targeting high-demand, low-competition topics. One good piece of evergreen content could drive traffic and revenue for months or even years. Then there's freelance opportunities. Deepseek identifies companies and industries searching for specific skills or services. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, developer, or consultant, this information can be the key to landing new clients. Imagine discovering that more businesses are seeking help with AI integration. Now you know where to focus your outreach or upskilling efforts. Want to dig deeper? Affiliate marketing is a goldmine with Deepseek. Find products or services in emerging niches, join their affiliate programs, and craft targeted campaigns using the platform's data. The best part? You're earning passive income while leveraging search trends others have yet to discover. Finally, if you're a business owner, use Deepseek to optimize your strategy. Study customer behaviors, competitor weaknesses, and market gaps in real time. These insights aren't just valuable, they're profitable. Imagine identifying an entire geographic market your competitors are ignoring. That's a game changer. So, how do you start? First, sign up and explore its features. Experiment with search terms tied to your industry, interests, or skill set. As you uncover opportunities, don't just collect data, ATT on it. The magic of Deepseek isn't just in finding those nuggets of gold, it's in turning them into actionable steps that grow your income. The possibilities with Deepseek are limitless, but the path to making money begins with you. Dive in, explore, and start building your strategy. Remember, winning isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with Deepseek in your corner, you'll be doing just that.